Hi everybody, this is your girl Shea Butter coming to you today with a mini wig review, and this one is on Equals Lace Front Miss Danity. So if you'd like to know more about this unit, stay tuned. Okay, so thanks for joining me everybody. This is Miss Danity. I have her in a color OP99J. I purchased this unit off of Wig Types for $22.29, and I must say, this is truly a steal, you guys. Miss Danity is the bomb. Yes. To tell you more about the construction of the cap, there are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and there's adjustable straps. Now, this is a lace front unit, and this is another L-part series. So you can cut this unit, ladies, and take your leave out if you like. If not, you can always use the pressed powder or concealer method. I just put a little pressed powder in the part and kept it moving. Now, I didn't really experience any tangling or shedding with this unit, although I can imagine after some time I might get some tangling in the nape area due to the fact that there are some pretty tight curls in this unit, but nothing that a paddle brush can't fix. Now, the density on this unit is pretty awesome. It's not super full, but it's full enough for me. It's definitely not thin. So I feel like it's just right. The only thing that I wasn't feeling too tough, guys, was the 99J on this unit, or what was supposed to be 99J. I don't feel like I'm really getting 99J. For some reason. It's just not that dark, rich cherry color that I'm looking for. So what's up, Equal? So here I've inserted a picture of the parting space. The parting space was actually good in this unit, but I did manipulate the part just a bit. I tweezed some hair out and I applied the pressed powder. It isn't my favorite method, but I am trying to preserve my hair, and I do feel like it does look more natural. Have to shout out Wig Types. Wig Types is awesome, ladies. Super fast shipping, super affordable hair. Wig Types is definitely my go-to. Miss Danity really is a beautiful unit. She really can be worn for everyday use, school, work, errands, whatever. She is just everything. I did trim her just a little bit. The unit was about 18 to 20 inches, definitely 20 if you flat iron her, but I was feeling her like this. I thought Miss Danity looked better shorter on me, so I cut her up a bit. But once again, ladies, go get yours. Wigtypes.com, can't go wrong there. Love all of you. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back pretty soon.